Hi, I'm Katrina Pike, and we're exploring simple machines at Pickering Museum Village. So in the early settler days, everything they did revolved around fire, and that meant a lot of chopping of wood in order to have the fuel to create light and heat in the early settler home. Here we have a lot of wood waiting to be chopped into smaller pieces for cooking and keeping warm. And I've got a beautiful crack in this piece of wood, but I can't break this piece of wood into two pieces with just my bare hands, even though I've got that lovely crack. I need a simple tool to help me. And the simple tool I need is a wedge. A wedge is a triangle that when you exert force on it, it can move an object in different directions. In this case, I'm hoping to split the wood into two different directions. An axe is a wedge. See? It's a triangle. It's bigger at the top and comes to a point at the bottom. This wedge will help me split that piece of wood into two pieces. Let me show you. Because I have this crack all ready for me, what I'm going to do is I'll put the wedge into it, and I'm going to bang the wedge down onto the ground. So what I'm doing is applying force downward, and I have smaller pieces of wood. I can repeat it to make this piece smaller. All I needed was a triangle or a wedge. How simple is that? So my challenge for you now is to go around your house and find a wedge. Find a triangle that is a simple machine that helps you exert force down to move objects in opposite directions. And then I want you to click on the link below, go to the museum digital artifact collection, and see how many wedges you can find in our collection there. Have fun.